Hello everyone, welcome to Puzzled. And I used to solve a lot of problems, and today in this video we will be solving Sudoku puzzle. And I have solved so many Sudoku puzzles earlier, and today we'll be solving a 4-star Sudoku puzzle, and I'm using a Wacom tablet and a stylus pen, and I'm solving it digitally on my Mac. So let's see how this thing will go. And I'm estimating it like this is a 4-star puzzle, so I'm estimating I can solve it under 30 minutes. So let's see. The time is 11 now, 11 p.m. I'm also practicing how to solve how to write it using this Wacom tablet. I get used to it. So I usually check these kind of pairs in these 3 boxes. So now, as this is as 9 is there in bottom 2 rows, we will get 9 here. That's it. So we have 9 here, so we will get 9 here, and we have 9 here and 9 here. So these 2 rows will not get any 9. So we need to get 9 here, but we have 2 9s here, so we will get 9 here. I think 9s are done. Only 1 9 left, if I'm not wrong. 9 here. I think 9s were done. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So puzzles like this, 4-star puzzles, 5-star puzzles, we'll get one number easily, but then the actual problem will start. So we'll go for 8s. Row 1 and row 3 have 8, so in these boxes we have 8 here in column 8, column 7, so we'll get 8 here. So with these 2 8s, we need to get to 8 in either of these two cells. So we'll just note down as a pencil mark 8 8. So pencil marking is the best strategy. So with this 1 8 and this 8, we can't get any 8s in these 3 cells, so we'll mark 8 as a pencil mark in these 2 cells. Similarly, here we have 8 here and here, so we can't get any pencil marks here or here, so we'll get 8 in one of these 2 cells, but 8 will come in this row, so we can't get 8 here, so we will only get 8 in this cell. 8 confirmed. 8 8, so we'll get 8 in one of these 2 cells, and now these 2 rows are occupied. It formed an X-wing, so definitely we can't get 8s in these two rows, and we have only 2 options left. So I usually go with this strategy only, pencil marking and just checking the repetitive numbers. And we may need some more advanced strategies, but we'll check them one by one. We'll get to them. We'll be solving lots of puzzles in future. Let's see. So we can't get 3 here, so 3 can, in this box 3 can only go into these two cells, 3. So I'm noting it down. Bear with my bad handwriting. So 3 will get into one of these 2 cells, because 3 will go here and there is already 3 here, so only 2. And if you can check, if any other number will go into one of these 2 cells, these 2 cells can be blocked. Let's check if we have any strategy like that. And also this line seems to be filled. Let's see, 1 2 3 4, we need 5 6 5 6 So we're going to get 5 here. So if you observe that this row, this second column needs 5, 6, but these two cells can't have 5 because there is already 5 in this box. So it will go in one of these two cells. So these two cells are already blocked. We don't need to have any other number in these two cells because 5, either 5 and 8 will only come. So if we check that, what other numbers will be coming here? We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7. 1, 4, 6, 7 need to come. So 6, if we check 6 in this box, we have 6. So 4 can only go into one of these two cells because there is a 4 here. So these two ones, so okay, 4 will come in one of these two cells. We need 1, okay, we'll check them later. So 5 and 8. So in this way, so this is called pair, okay, pair inside a box or inside a row. So let's go for ones. So 1, this one will have a 1 pencil marked here. In this box, what are the numbers we can get? We have, we can't have 8, 9 is already done, 7, 7, yeah, we got a 7 here, we have 7, 7, so here we will get 7 in this box. So we have 7 here, 7 here, so in this third row we need to go 7 somewhere in this. We'll write it in a little smaller way. 7, let's continue with the 7s. 7 can't go here. Oh, so we have 3 options. So here 7 will have 4 cells. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. So in this box 1, we need 2. Two has to go into these 2 rows also. If we check here, 2 will go into one of these 2 boxes. How? Because it can't go here. We have 2 for these 2 looking at these 2 cells, and we have these 2 looking at this cell, these 2 cells. So we'll get only 2 options. So with that we have another pair of 2. If we look at this row, we need 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 7. Yeah. So we can't get 4 here. 3, we can't get 3 here. 3. Not going anywhere. 1, 3, 4, 7. 1. We can get 1 here. Yeah, I think we have. Let's look at this cell. Check what number will come here. We have options like 1, 3, 4, 7 with this third row. Okay. So in this box, we can't get 1 because 1 is already here. We can't get 4 because 4 is already here. We can get 7 as well. So we can only get 3. So we need to place a 3 here. Let me increase the thickness so that it looks well. So we have placed a 3. And if we check further, we can't get. We need to get 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 7. we can't get 7 here, we'll get only 1 or 4. We'll confirm later. 1 4 7. Here we are already 7. Any other number? No. So we have 3. What does this say? 3 3 3 already confirmed here. So we don't get any 3 here. 8 8 6. Yeah, I think we have confirmed 6 in this box. How? Because 6 will go into this row only, because it is looking at this box, this row, and so it can't go into bottom 2 rows, so it only need to occupy this. But here we have a 6 here and here in these 2 columns, so we'll get a 6 here. 6 6 6, and look at that, we forgot it. In column 2 we have only one number left, which is 6, so we can add that. So we need to check all these things so that we can fill the boxes immediately. 6, where 6 will come here? 6 won't come here. 4 6. Yeah, they have only 2 options for 6 here, so 6 will go into one of these 2 cells. Let's reduce the thickness of the pencil mark. Because of this 6 and this 6, so 6, yeah, now if you look at it, 6 can't go into bottom 2 rows, we have only one option left, so we can add 6 here. Now these 2 are completed. With these 2 6s and this 6, we can only place a 6 here, and those 2 6s we will get a 6 pair here in these 2 cells. Let's add them as a 6 pair. Now that forms an X-wing. Okay, I think 6s were completed. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So 6 were half completed because there are 2 pairs left. Okay, 6. 5. Let's go to 5. 5 5. We have 2 options for 5. 5. 3 options. If you can check any pairs, it will be much easier, like this 5 and 8. Any other? Oh yeah, this cell is completing. See, 1 2 3, we need 4 here, 5 here. Yeah, we need 4 and 5. We already have 4 here, so we will get 5 here, and we will get 4 here. Done. And with 5, with 4 4, we can get 4 in one of these 2 cells. We will confirm. 5, with this 5, what it does? 1 2 3, still don't have anything. Okay, 5 4. Okay, this row is completed. 4 5. What other numbers will go into this box? 1 2 3 required. 4 5 7. 1 3 7. Any 7s with us? No 7s yet. 1, no 3s. 1 3 7 is required in these 2 boxes. So we have 3 7 here. We need to 3 7. 1 1 1. Okay, let's look at this row. This looks completing. 1. We need 2. 2 can go here. 1 2 we need 3 can go into this, we need 3, 1, 2, 3, 8, 9. I think we found one. We need one. No, we don't need one. 2, 3, 8. 1, 2, 3 only boxes left. 2, 3, 8 are required. So we can't get 2 here, we can't get 8 here, so we will fix 3. Because there is a 2 pencil mark here, it points towards this, and there is 8 here, so we will get 3 here directly. So with that, we can't get 3 in this box or these boxes, so we will get 3 here. And 2 and 8 in the same row on the same column, we need to get 2 and 8. We have 2 already here, so we will confirm 8 here. And let's use this one. We will confirm 8 here, and we'll confirm 2 here. With that 2, with these 2's, we will get 2 in one of these 2 cells. These 2's confirmed. I'll confirm them later. Okay, so with this 3 and this 3, we need to get 3 here. We are half the time. I think we are solving it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 6. Right, 1, 2, 4, 6. We can get 6 here, 4 here, 2 here. Nice. We need 1, 2, 4, 6 in this box, but we can't get in this box. We can't get 6, as 6 is here, 2 is here, 4 is here. So we will only get 1. We'll just place that 1 here. And with 2, 4, 6. No, is it 2, 4, 6? Yes. We can get 6 here. 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. We have only 2 options left for 4 in this box. 2 options left for 4. Don't we get 4 here? 1, 1, 4, 7. We won't get a 7 here. We get 1 or 4. 1 or 4. We won't get 4 here. We'll get 1 or 7. We'll get 4 or 7. We have a trio. We have an option for 1 in these 2 cells because of this one looking at this cell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 5, 6. No, there are no 5s. Yet to get some more 5s. No. Yeah. What is this? We have this 5, 8 pair we have from earlier, but we already have a 5 here. So that should break in the starting stage itself. I missed it somehow. My God. So we have 5 here, then 8 should go directly. Oh my god, I chose the wrong tool. I need to choose a pen. We need to get an 8 here. Because of this 5, I need to get a 5 here. My god, I have missed it completely. Bad. Okay. 8 and 5. With this 8s we'll get we don't get 8 here then, because with this 8s we'll get 8 here, and then with this 5s we need to get 5 in one of these two cells. But that said, these two cells are occupied now. We have only 1 4, so we'll see this. We need 1 7 and 4. We won't get 1 and 4 here, so we will fix 7 here. In this box we need to 1 4 and 7, and we don't get 1 and 4 here, 7. So with this 7 and with this 7 we need to fix 7 in one of these two cells. So 5 and 7 will come in one of these two cells. So 2, we won't get 2 here because it was already filled by 5 and 7 pair, so we will get 2 here. With that we can't get 3 in this cell, so we can get 3 here. 3 3 and 3 fixed here, and this 3 will cut this 3 and we will get a 5 here, and so that we will get a 3 here. 3 3 3. And did this 5 add any value? Nothing. Okay, so with these two 5s we will get a 5 in this row. We will get 5 here. So 4 is fixed in this cell. That's solved for 7. That's solved for 1. This 1 solves for 4, I think, because 1 and 4 need to go. I think we have solved the problem. 1 and 4. 1 will go into one of these two cells. If you can check here, I misplaced something. 1, so we'll get 4 4 and we'll get 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Let's solve for ones. And 1 2 3 4 5 6, we need to get 7 here. 7 and 7 and 5. Bear with my very bad writing, I'm sorry. And we need to get a 2 in this row, that is in this column. 1 2 3, we need to get 4 4 4 4. Done. 2 2 2 2 2 in one of these two cells, so we'll get 2 here. That's the last number in this row. 2 will go, we already have 2 here, so we'll get 2 here. Done with the 2's. Then we have 1 2 3 4 5 6, we need 7 7 7 7. Done. Then 1 2, we need 3. Then 1 2 3, we need 4 4 6. Still haven't solved for 4, no? Okay, we'll come from this area. 1, we need 2, we still need 2, we have solved for 2 2 2 2. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, we need 5 6 7 8 9 5 5 and 5. We have solved for 4, so we have solved for 4 and 6 and 6 and the last number on the puzzle will be 8. Okay, and we have solved the puzzle and the time is 11:23. So 11:23 p.m. we have solved it under 23 minutes. Nice. So tell me, how was this? And this is my first time recording solving this Sudoku. We'll solve few more Sudokus in future, and I love solving puzzles. So, and stay tuned for more and more puzzles in this playlist called Puzzled. So stay tuned to get puzzled. Take care. Bye bye.